Afternoon, people. Okay, my leg's been rusted up. We're back. We're going to check this hive here. It's a little small nuke. Supposed to have a yellow queen, eggs, brood, stores, and building slowly. Last time we was in it was the 24th of last month. It's hive number 61's East Fence. Put my glasses on this one. Let's get this here out the way. Over here, looks like we got some drones walking around. No bugs. Hey, let's see what they're doing. Get to be about 4 o'clock, so they may think it's time to quit. Okay, this one here got some honey on it. And some nectar and some room. A little skittish here for some reason. We're just going to lean it up right here. I can see getting my smoker out for a triple deep, but not for a single nuke. They'll calm down. Okay, this one here has some capped brood. Don't see any eggs. But we do have capped brood. Bottom looks clean. This one here has capped brood. It has some honey. It has some nectar. It has a yellow queen. It has babies being born and some drones. There's the yellow queen right there. It is slow. I mean, I've been feeding them. I haven't been coming by that much and going into the hive, but I have been feeding them. This one here has some capped brood, some larvae, eggs. Same thing on that side. The next one is a super frame or a honey frame, or and it is filled with honey. See, they do the honey when you put it over here. Now, if they were growing faster, I take this frame out and put it in a honey super. Well, put it in a honey super. Put me another deep frame in here, which I'll probably do all this later on if we ever get a honey flow started again, and they would come up because they know this frame here and they know it is be theirs. So if I put it up, they'll know it's there, so they'll come up and work it. And then they'll work all of them. Reminds me of the Beverly Hillbillies show. I don't know if y'all ever watched it or not. If you hadn't, good show. But anyway, the third show on their first episode, they'd moved to California. Mr. Drysdale went to see him. I don't remember if it's the first or the second show. But then Mr. Drysdale went over to see how they were doing, and everybody was downstairs. Mr. Drysdale asked them how they liked their living quarters and their bedrooms and, you know, everything. And they told him that the beds was kind of hard and, you know, different stuff like that. And he told them, he said, y'all got the best beds made in the world in your bedrooms. And they said, well, we haven't been able to find no bedrooms down here or something like that. And anyway, to make a long story short, they hadn't gone upstairs because they told Mr. Drysdale that they've heard that people in the big cities live on top of each other sometimes. So they didn't even know they were supposed to go up there. And the bees are about the same way. You know. I know some of you said that's stupid, but it is what it is. Say what you want, think what you want, and keep watching. Give us a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know if y'all like the little short videos with the little nukes or the ones with the big ones. Y'all have a great one. Oh, one other thing. I have a few people who gives me a thumbs down, and that's okay. I have no problem with that. But if you give me a thumbs down, let me know why you're giving me a thumbs down, and that way I can correct whatever it is that you don't like, and life will go on better. Y'all have a marvelous day, marvelous night. Be careful out there. And this is Sam, South Carolina. Happy bees. Say bye.